Hello everyone. I realized as I was making these videos I never really had an introduction, and they are a little bit different from what I've done before. You probably already noticed that they're a little shorter, and I just wanted to go over real quick what I'm trying to accomplish with these videos. So basically I'm going to tell you how it'll go. First off, this is going to be based on my software package, and that was the impetus for these videos. I came across a bunch of things that I did, which I either thought were kind of cool and maybe other people would want to do it, or I just learned new stuff that maybe people wouldn't see in a book, because there's not a lot of good UWP books out there. So I created the series to kind of satisfy these people and hopefully be helpful and educate on the way. This is going to be for the intermediate coder, so I'm not going to go through for loops and if loops if statements and things like that. Oftentimes I'll even skip over what I think are simple. If I do that, I'll bring in text boxes to kind of explain maybe something that might be an intermediate person might not know, but I assume that they do. Yeah, so I put those in just to hopefully be helpful and not miss anybody on that. If you ever have a question, put it in the comments. I can explain a little further, or make another video. Because these are for the intermediate coder, I try to make them short, and I try to throw the code up pretty quick so that people can see it and include. And I usually try to remember what libraries to include, because that always drives me nuts. Or I'll just try to be nice to you there. As the videos go on, I'll get into deeper explanations, and so if you see hopefully if you see something like an 8-minute video, the hardcore coders might be done with it in like 2 minutes or less. But if you want to get a little more into the weeds, we'll do the explanations. And then, because I was a teacher, I always like throwing in a story or two, maybe of like one of my massive fails, or maybe something I gave to somebody and they used it and they liked it, just to kind of make it interesting. So you can use these videos to do quick and dirty stuff, or you can give a little depth and breadth in your education. And that's it. So hopefully those will solve the problems. I have other videos that do other things, that go more in depth, do simpler problems, talk about different solutions, and go on a wider range of topics. But this will just be C#, UWP, kind of cool stuff you do that where you already know the basics, and now you can apply them a little bit. All right, thanks for checking this out. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button to our channel. This would help us out greatly. If you'd like to support us in other ways, our app is available for purchase at digitaltumult.com or the Microsoft Store. See the links below. We appreciate your support. Thanks.